Make $2,000 per month with Faceless TikTok and Instagram pages. First, open TikTok and search for example motivation. Click on filter and choose last 3 months and like count. Now view and download any video with more than 300K views that has a good motivation quote. Now go to Kyber.ai, which is one of the best AL video generators. To use it for free, simply click on Gallery and search keywords related to your video. Find a good video and click download. Finally, open CapCut or any video editor of your choice and import your downloaded TikTok. Separate the audio and then delete the video. Now import your AL-generated video and place it over the TikTok audio. Add some captions, and now you have a viral video ready in just 10 minutes. Now to make money with this, we will promote an affiliate product in the motivation and money niche. You can also create your own digital products, etc. If you keep uploading 2-3 videos like this every day, so whenever someone clicks on the link in your bio and buys the offer, you will make a commission or sell your own product. If you want to learn how to build a side hustle like this one, check the first link in my bio and click on the follow button below to see more videos like this.